Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your very own back to school cookie charm with a kawaii style, and I hope you enjoy the video. So let's get started! For this tutorial I'm using Fimo Effect Vanilla. It will be the base color of our cookie. I'm then making a ball of clay in the size I want my cookie to be, and then pressing it down onto my work surface, and I just start to shape it into some cookie shape. When you're happy with how your charm looks, then use acetone and Q-tips to clean the top of your charm. On this way it will be much easier than cleaning it when it's textured. Now clean the bottom of your charm and just try to clean it very well, because it's really important that the bottom stays really clean. Now I'm using the baby powder and putting it onto my work surface and also on the back of my charm, and on this way I will prevent from getting any more dust. Using the toothbrush I just started texturing my cookie. You can also use some dotting tool or the foil. You can really texture it on any way you want, but I think that using the toothbrush is actually the best way. When you're happy with your cookie's texture, you can now start adding some letters. I'm now adding all the math signs, numbers and letters I made from Polymer Clay in all the different colors, and I pre-baked them for around 10 minutes, and I'm just going to add them into the cookie charm, and on this way it will be much easier. I'm using now the dotting tool, and I'm just making holes on some random places, and I'm just adding the letters I made. Now I'm just using my dotting tool to blend all of them into the cookie so that they look like some chocolate chips inside the cookie. I'm using the toothbrush to just texture my cookie charm, and on this way I'm also shaping it back in the cookie form it was before. And now onto this point we are going to add an eye pin. Firstly I'm using my needle tool and making a hole, and then adding the eye pin, and on this way it will be really much easier, and on this way you won't lose the shape of the charm. When you're happy with everything, now is just the time to add the face. I'm using Fimo Soft chocolate, and I'm just going to make the face out of that color. I'm first making a ball, and I'm just going to roll it into a snake. Using my blade, I just cut 2 parts from it in the size I want my eyes to be, and I'm just taking them into my hands, and then just I start to shape them into balls. And then using the dotting tool in the size you want, I use the medium size, and I'm just making the holes for the eyes. With the rest of the clay I'm going to make a mouth, so I'm really rolling it out till the really teeny tiny snake, and I'm just using my blade to cut that part out. After I shave them out, I'm going to put them on, and you really can't see them because they really are tiny. And this is how it looks now. Now it's the part to shade my charm. First I'm making cheeks with the pink chalk pastel shavings, and I'm using a little brush to just brush them on really easy. After that, I'm using the mixture to make some baked cookie look. This is how it looks when it's done. Now it's just time to bake your charms according to packaging instructions, and you're done. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and if you want to recreate any of my charms, use hashtag #HappyInspired so I can see it on Instagram. Bye guys!